Diane here from AuntDi's Crafts, and I am in the midst of a huge mess, as you can see. I've got so much vinyl. I keep it in a cupboard my husband made, which I will not show you because it's, bless his heart, it's not the best, but it does the trick. And it is all over the place because my grandson likes to play with it and move my vinyl everywhere. So half the stuff I do not know where it is or what it is, so I've decided enough is enough and it's time to reorganize my vinyl. So I'm going to show you a tip when it comes to reorganizing vinyl. I used to use elastics, so I would just put an elastic around it and put it in the proper slot. When I pulled it out, and now especially with the way Cricut makes their permanent premium vinyl, I would have thought, before I even looked at this, I thought it was HTV because of the way it feels, but it's not. This is Cricut's permanent vinyl. So, we all have two things in our houses. One of them are toilet paper rolls. I actually like the Costco ones. They're a little bit more sturdier, but just cut them in half and they make a perfect ring for your Cricut vinyl. And then what you do is you get a pen and you write on it what it is, so you know when you pull it out. Another great thing. We all complain about, here, let me get one. So I'm going to be doing this one. This one is vinyl, and because it was on a tube, I mean this is HTV, and because it was on a tube, I know it's Cricut's. So I'm just going to re-roll it. Give me a second. Almost there. Gotcha. And I've got some other tubes. That tube that roll was just on, I've been slicing pieces from it. And now I can put it over my vinyl, let it go. It will fit in there nice and snug. I get my pen, I write on it, Cricut, iron on, and done. I go and place it in the proper spot and it doesn't unroll. It's all going to be the same size. Voila. So yeah, as you can see by the size or the amount of pieces I've been cutting, I'm going to go through all of these plus more. I've got quite the job ahead of me, but at least my vinyl is all going to be nice and neat and tidy, and when I pull it out, since it's no longer in the package, I will know that this is Cricut Premium Vinyl, and this is their glitter vinyl, and this roll is Oracle 651. I've got some more 651. I've got Cricut adhesive foil, and I have other brands that I've also been able to keep track of now, and I'll know exactly what my vinyl is when I go to look at it. So yeah, that's another great tip from AuntDi. So take care guys, and happy crafting. Bye.